I mean, it's kind of interesting though. If we go to Amazon, right, and we type in, let's say, 40th birthday or December birth flower, right? Even 40th birthday. So you went to Amazon, you typed in 50th birthday. Wouldn't it be cool to have a listing? And it's probably not there, but let's just have a look. Um, if we go to and all right, so let's go to Amazon, just another screen. That's why you're probably not seeing anything come up. All right, so if we go to Amazon and we type in 50th birthday gifts for her, for example, right? And we click on there. So wouldn't it be cool to have, and we know the 50th birthday gifts is quite a, it's an in-demand niche. It always has been. I think the 50th birthday is the most popular keyword when it comes to birthdays, right? Actually, I know it is. So this one here, it says, smells like your 40s have officially expired. Okay, nice. They sold 400 in the past month. But wouldn't it be cool to actually have a listing that has, so let's say, for example, this particular mug here, it says, is you 50, right? Is that what it says? Right. Is you 50? Yes, no, bitch, I might be. All right. So 900 bought in the past month. So that basically tells me that people actually like this particular tumbler, right? They'll actually get the glass. They like the message. They like the glass. So if we took this glass, because we know people actually like that particular glass, and we had the print of the actual flower and it said they're January. And then we had 12 variations of that particular type of tumbler in a listing. I think that could do okay, right? It could be worth a test, or if we look at this particular card here that says 50 is the new fabulous, we know that people are buying it. There's 1,000 bought in the past month at $5, right? So that's what, 5,000 revenue. FBA fee on that would be almost nothing. Still something. But if you took that and you took cards and you thought you'd make, 12 variations of cards with a flower on it, right, in a month, that'd be pretty good, right? Because it's more targeted, it's more specific. Now, as opposed to the actual year, now the year becomes a little bit tricky because every single year it's going to be a little bit different, right? So someone turning 50 in 19, they were born in 1974. Well, next year the age is going to be, if you still have these mugs available, it's going to be 51. All right. So you're probably not going to have many sales. So you have to make sure you sell all your stock. But in terms of the actual birthday cards, I think it could be an interesting idea. Uh, I like that. People sell personalized family packs for flowers. I have most of the family in one print, etc. It's big on Etsy. Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised on Etsy for sure. The number 50 tote bag. Yeah, that tote bag is really cool. That one there. It's actually really nice tote bag, isn't it? So imagine you did the same tote bag, right? And you had the flower here, you know. I don't know how to draw a great flower, but you had a flower there and you had instead of estimated 1974, you could have on it, June or May or whatever it is. You could still have the number 50 there. You just take out the year, right? So that way it's just a less risk for you if you don't sell the inventory for the full long year. You can have the number 50 there. But that's how you come up with product ideas, right? You kind of just think a little bit creatively, see what you can repurpose, see what you can add onto, other products, see what's selling really well. And that's kind of really the whole idea of it. It's turned into a micro product discovery call. Um, all right, so Ben, you've sent a link there. Hello, gents from Germany. Hey, Arno. Nice to have you on the call, mate. Ben, all right, awesome. So Ben sent that link. Let's check it out. All right, so there you go. That's nice, right? In the three, we bought this in the last 24 hours. So this is the family flower, I guess. Birth flower, family bouquet. Super, super nice. Right. Well, AI could probably do a lot of this stuff for you now, couldn't it? It's insane. One of the things that I like about Etsy is the fact that you can actually see what products have actually sold, right? So I haven't been on Etsy for a little while, but you can actually go, let's say we click on, where do we click? Just gonna go to here. Let's go to wall hangings. Let's go to this one here, Geometry Fox. And then let's go to, I might have to be logged in, but it's somewhere here. Probably won't spend too much time on this. But yeah, so it is here we go, the shop. Let's go to the owner of the shop. And then we can see, and you might know where this is, mate. Here we go, 2 sales. So this person hasn't done many sales, but usually you can actually see which product is actually sold on Etsy. And if you, I mean, yeah, again, if you think about it, I mean, I used to kind of really like selling on Etsy. I started selling on Etsy actually when I was in Vietnam in 2013. Um, but yeah, you got 16,000 reviews, great gift for Mother's Day, beautiful gift. And you can get also a lot of information about, you can do some market research on here also, which is super cool. But, it's all AI generated. That's crazy. So basically people are just paying for it, €22. They're giving you the number of the flowers in your family. You're telling AI to do it. It takes you like 2 seconds to actually do it.
Yeah.
Um, that's pretty cool, right? It's a really, really cool idea. So if you kind of, and here we go. So you can, I'm guessing they also print it out for you and you can actually, they'll deliver it to you in a printout. That's probably the case, right? But look at all the different options they have. That's insane, right? Super, super cool.